What are voluntary versus involuntary legal property liens? Have you ever wondered how property liens can impact your ownership experience? Understanding the difference between voluntary and involuntary legal property liens is essential for anyone involved in real estate. Let's break it down in simple terms. A voluntary lien is a legal claim that a property owner agrees to. This usually happens when the owner takes out a loan or financing. The owner willingly uses the property as collateral to secure that debt. Common examples include mortgage liens and home equity loans. When you agree to these liens, you are essentially saying, "I will use my property to back this loan." On the other hand, an involuntary lien is placed on a property without the owner's consent. This typically occurs due to unpaid debts or legal judgments. For instance, if property taxes are not paid, the government can place a tax lien on the property. Other examples include mechanics liens from unpaid contractor bills or court judgment liens. These liens can create serious challenges for the property owner, especially if they want to sell or refinance the property. One key difference is consent. Voluntary liens are created through an agreement, while involuntary liens are imposed by law or court order. This distinction is critical because it affects how you can manage your property. Both types of liens create a legal claim on the property. This means that before you can sell or refinance, these liens must typically be resolved. If you fail to address an involuntary lien promptly, you could face foreclosure or lose your property rights. There are some common legal mistakes to avoid. First, not recognizing or addressing involuntary liens can lead to unexpected financial issues. Second, understanding the priority of liens is important. Liens are generally paid in the order they are recorded, which can lead to financial liability if not managed well. Lastly, entering into voluntary liens without fully understanding the terms can put your property at risk if debts are not handled properly. To avoid these problems, conduct thorough title searches before purchasing property. This will help you identify any existing liens. Address unpaid debts or legal judgments quickly to prevent involuntary liens from attaching. Always review and understand all loan agreements creating voluntary liens. Additionally, consider using title insurance to protect against undisclosed liens. By knowing the differences between voluntary and involuntary liens, property owners can navigate real estate transactions more safely. This knowledge can help avoid common legal challenges and ownership disputes.